I'm going to show how to take one of these locks apart. This is a lock from a 58 Cadillac where I don't have the key for it, and there's a number in here you can take to a locksmith and they can fabricate a new key for you. If you look in here, there's a little clip you got to take out, and they do come out somewhat fairly easy. You gotta get on it with a flat screwdriver. Seems to work fairly good. Now underneath here, there is a spring, so be ready for that one. You get the little clip there. You can take the bottom of it off, and this is here underneath here. This thing here is spring loaded. Comes out with a spring, and now you can take the lock itself. There's a little O-ring in there. This one here is in pretty bad shape, but here's the lock itself, and there's a number on here. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there's 4 numbers on here, and you should be able to take to a locksmith and they can cut your new key that fits for the lock, and that key should also fit, at least I think on the 58 Cadillac, also fit the ignition. That's how you take one of these apart.